Welcome back to our small farm in France. Something a little bit special today. We've had this stove sitting over here for about a year. It's finally installed. It's plumbed in. We've got some wood split. That's all sat there. We're gonna light this fire. Come on, baby, light my fire.
The CPU's not going to burn that well. Panel.
Makes a bloody mess, doesn't it? So that's it, just 2 leaks outside. They were slowing down while I was outside, but I don't know if we forced the pump to come on. The pump's on a thermostat, which once the water coming out of the flow pipe hits 60 degrees, the pump will start up and start pumping it around the system. Couple of drips, but they might seal themselves. If not, when Marcel comes back, he can have a look at them. So far, it feels quite warm in here actually, doesn't it? It's slightly discolouring on the top, but it's going to do that. It's brand new, and although Tina cleaned off the the hot plate on the top, it's got sort of like wax on it, so that's all burning off at the minute. The double skin chimney is working absolutely perfectly. Down at the bottom where it's single skinned, that's about 85 degrees at the moment. Where it goes up through the ceiling, that's 20 degrees, so that's fantastic. So we shouldn't have any issues with that. It's drawing really nicely. When we lit the fire, there was no smoke coming out. It was all going straight up the chimney. So,
It's burning back to its normal colour.
all right, let's have a quick look at this. Yeah, so this whole plate will go sort of like that over time. You see it's starting to smoke a little bit here where there's some wax down in that gap. Of course we had to put the fan on, didn't we? And we got the extractor fan on as well. Just pulling any fumes out. Let's have a quick look in the door. Oh, lovely. So we're at about 40 degrees now. So that's your temperature and that's water pressure. So we're about 1 bar, which is good. You can have 1 to 1.5. So that's a little short update for you. We are now cooking on gas.
No, we're
Not cooking on gas, we're cooking on logs. The oven's getting up to 150 degrees now. For tonight's dinner, we're going to try it in the oven. We might have to, it says 210 degrees for 10 minutes. We might have to put it in there and just let it go for a little bit longer. We're having Nems tonight, which to anyone else is like spring rolls. So yeah, so far so good. Fingers crossed, touch wood, all that malarkey. Yeah, a little quick short update. It's all in and working. We just, once it's up to temperature, then the pump will kick in and we'll find out if the radiators are working then. So we'll keep our fingers crossed for that, and I'll let you know in a different update. So catch you in the next video. Bye for now. Give us a wave, Tina.
Woo! So I'm trying to see what the temperature gauge is doing. It's going up.
Bye.